Hey folks, welcome to the Weekly Jug. It's going to be a video series we're going to try to do to show you some fun ways to use your DrinkTanks 128 ounce growler for some other things besides growler fills. So we're going to be doing one of my favorite cocktails that's great for Central Oregon summers. It's called Cowboy Lemonade. It's pretty simple, 3 ingredients: vodka, lemonade from concentrate, and a light lager of your choice. We decided to go with PBR. So we grabbed a 6-pack. First things first, we're gonna fill this up, but you know, no bartender should ever go thirsty, so you can have the first one, make it an easy mixing experience. Great, taste check. Now we're gonna fill this puppy up. So now we poured our beer into the Juggernaut. I put about 5 of those 16-ounce tall boys in there. So now pretty simple, just gonna add this lemonade concentrate. And then last but not least, give it a little hit to here. And you know, you can add as much as you want here. It depends, everyone's got a different tolerance, more or less. I like to fill it up to just below the neck. With the keg cap, you still want to leave a little room so you don't have any liquid shoot out of the pressure release valve. So I'm just going to fill it up to the very bottom of the neck here and still make sure everyone has a good time. Maybe a great time. Just kind of. Alrighty, do the trick. Now we're going to use our keg cap accessory kit and our DrinkTanks 10-ounce pint. Test this puppy out. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got some Cowboy lemonade. Cheers and howdy. Pretty good.